Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable Find My Phone in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to Google. Now here you can see Find My Device option. If you cannot find this option here, just tap on all services and then scroll down a bit, then go to Find My Device. And here it is. Now by tapping here you can enable Find My Device in your phone. Then you have to type your current PIN or pattern. And it's done. Now Find My Device has been enabled successfully in your phone. Then you have to tap Find My Device app. Then select Google Play Store. Then tap on Always. Then install this app and give it a moment. And the download is complete. Now just open the app. Then choose your Gmail address, then tap on continue, then type your password, then tap on sign in, then tap on accept, and here it is. Now Find My Device has been enabled successfully in your phone. And that is how you can enable Find My Device in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.